Welcome to our second part of average. We can continue here from question number 9. The mean of 9 observation is 16. One more observation is included and new mean becomes 17. Find the 10th observation. The 10th observation equals to we are getting the new mean. That is, there is 9 observation, 1 is included, then it becomes 10 into 17 minus, we have already given with the 9 observation 16. That is sum of 10 observation minus sum of 9 observation, we can get the 10th observation. That is 170 minus 144, 10, 4, 6. It is 26 is our answer. That is 10th observation is nothing but 26. Next question is 10. That is 6 tables and 12 chairs were bought for rupees 7,800. If the average price of the table is 750, then the average price of chair would be. So we have to find the average price of the chair. And average price of chair be x. Let. So according to problem, 6 tables and 12 chairs were bought for rupees 7,800. We have the table, that is 6 into 750 plus 12 chairs, that is 12 into x equals to 7,800. 0, 5, 6 are 30, 42 and 3, 45 plus 12x equals to 7800. So 12x equals to 7,800 minus 4,500, which is 12x equals to 0 minus 0 minus 0, 3743. It is x equals to, we can write in simple manner, 12 we can write in this manner, 4, 25, 3, 11. So x equals to 5, 257 and 2. That is, our average price of each chair is rupees 275. Our next question is 11. That is, 4 boys and 3 girls spend rupees 120 on the average, of which boys spend rupees 150 on the average. Then the average amount spent by girl is. So here we get total expenditure by 7. That is 4 plus 3, 4 boys plus 3 girls equals to 120 into 7. That is equals to rupees 840. Total expenditure by 4 boys, which is equals to 150 into 4, that is rupees 600. So total expenditure by 3 girls equals to 840 minus 600, that is equals to rupees 240. Therefore, average amount spent by girls equals to 240 divided by 3, which is equals to rupees 80. But next question is the average of A, B and C is 20 and that of B, C and D is 25. If D equals to 30, then the value of A is, okay, the average of A, B and C is 20, then sum of A, B and C equals to 20 into 3, which is equals to 60. And that of B, C and D is 25, then sum of B, C and D equals to 25 into 3, which is 75. That is, we can write in this manner: A plus B plus C equals to 60, which is our equation 1, and B plus C plus D equals to 75, which is equation 2. By subtracting, B got cancelled, C got cancelled, we left with A minus D. 60 minus 75, that is minus 15. We are given with the value of D, that is 30. So A equals to 30 transfer to that 30 minus 15. Therefore value of A equals to 15. This is our answer. Next, the average of 10 number is 7. If each number is multiplied by 12, then the average of new set of numbers will be, okay, the average of 10 number is 7. If each number is multiplied by 12, if each number is multiplied by 12, then the average of new set of numbers must also be multiplied by 12. That is nothing, 7 into 12, we get 84 as answer. Our new average will be 84. Next question, that is 14. The average of 30 result is 20 and the average of other 20 result is 30. What is the average of all the results? We can apply here the combined mean, that is n into n1 into x1 plus n2 into x2 divided by n1 plus n2. So we are with 20 to 30 plus 30 into 20 by 30 plus 20, which is equals to 600 plus 600 divided by 50 is equals to 1200 divided by 50. We can write in short like 12 into 100 by 50, 50 to the, which is equals to 24. This is our average of all the results, that is combined result. Next question is the average income of 40% is rupees 4200 and that of another 35% is rupees 4000. The average income of the whole group. This is same as the sum number we have done in 14. So we have to find the average income of whole group, that is x bar equals to 40 into 4200 plus 35 into 4000 whole by 40 plus 35, that is 0 0 0 4 2 is 8 4 4 is 16 plus 0 0 0 34 35 4 is 140. This is 75. 1,68,000 plus 1,40,000. £30.75. We can write this 3080 into 100 by 25 into 3, 25 ऊर्जा. Three जा 30 and 2 3 2 जा 6 2 3 6 जा 18 2 0 6 6 6 and it continues. It is 24 to 26 carry to is it is 41064. That is our answer is 41066 approximate. Next, and this is the last sum. The average of x number is y and the average of y number is x. Then the average of all number taken together. Okay, average of x number is y, then sum of x number equals to xy. The average of y number is y, then sum of y number is also y into x. We can write xy. The average of all number taken together. Average of all number, that is xy plus xy, the whole number, that equals to x plus y. We are getting 2xy x plus y. This is our answer. So guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.